In a small classroom filled with laughter and crayons, a quiet kind of love began. He liked someone, but she liked someone else, and the one who loved him was never seen. They were just kids, too young to know how much a heart could hurt. This is a story about smiles that didn't mean what they hoped, about waiting for someone who never looked back, about a love that never was.
My girlfriend? No, thanks, but I'm studying first.
Di man araw-araw na nakangiti. Ilang beses na rin tayong humihindi. Di na mapi...
I thought it's studying first.
Kung siya man ang napilian, ako'y mahimo, ana, pero sakit lang di kaayo. Kung siya man ang mas...
I have no feelings for you now. What do you mean?